Today's lecture will continue on healthcare and the healthcare team. Working with other healthcare professionals. Acupuncturist is a form of Eastern medicine, and it treats pain by inserting thin, teeny tiny needles under the skin at meridians or channels to open blocked areas so that the chi or body energy can flow and restore health. A chiropractor uses physical therapy, exercise programs, and nutritional advice addressing pain areas. Testing includes X-ray, muscle testing, and posture analysis. Electroencephalographic technologist assists with testing to diagnose diseases and irregularities of brain activity. Massage therapist needs pressure, stroking, and human touch to address pain and promote healing. So different types of therapy include kneading the body, pressure, light pressure, deep pressure, different types of massage therapy. The medical technology. You can be a medical technologist, a medical laboratory technician, or medical laboratory scientist. And these three areas include different types of college, either a 2-4-year degree or a master's degree, and licensing by the state that you are working in. Nuclear medicine technologist prepares and administers radioactive drugs and operates radiation detection instruments such as this CAT scan. An occupational therapist helps patients return to optimal function after disease or injury. And an occupational therapist will help if you fracture your wrist, once you get strength back on your wrist, to get more mobility and flexibility in the action of the wrist. A pharmacist dispenses medications or health supplies and prepares chemotherapy medications. Physical therapist helps patients restore function, relieve pain, and prevent disability after disease or injury, and it's often used with injured athletes. Radiologic Technology assists the radiologist and performs positioning and imaging. The registered dietitian helps with nutrition and food choices and works in a variety of settings, from inpatient care in the hospitals to nursing homes, rehab centers, visiting nurse associations, and schools. Respiratory therapy treats patients with asthma, emphysema, pneumonia, and bronchitis and other breathing disorders. Works under the supervision of a licensed practitioner, usually a pulmonologist. Respiratory therapy technicians supplement patient care for respiratory problems. A nursing aide or assistant may be certified as a CNA or may have other titles and works in basic patient care. A practical or vocational nurse. Duties include taking vital signs and passing meds, dresses wounds, and assists nurses. Registered nurse. Many different education levels are available. You can have your associate's degree, which is a 2-year program. You can be a diploma graduate with a 3-year program, and coursework and clinical work are combined. You can have a baccalaureate or a bachelor's degree as a BSN RN. This is a 4-year program at college level, and the degree is needed to move forward to your master's or doctorate level. Nurse practitioner works with a physician or independently and has a master's degree plus has completed an apprenticeship. Other specialties, such as nurse midwife, are included. A physician assistant practices under supervision of a physician. State law governs the amount of responsibility allowed, and the physician assistant has to pass a license exam. Speech and language pathologist treats communication disorders, speech problems such as stuttering, or problems in speech from stroke, hearing impairment, diagnoses and counsels patients, and works in various settings, including schools. Your specialty career options include the duties on the next 3 slides. We move on to healthcare professional associations. The American College of Physicians was founded in 1915 to provide education to internal medicine and subspecialties. The American Hospital Association is the largest national network of healthcare providers. The Joint Commission is accreditation of healthcare organizations and goes in and inspects organizations, both patient care and administrative. The Council of Ethical and Judicial Affairs develops ethics policies for the AMA, the American Medical Association. which was founded in 1847. It promotes science and the art of medicine, and it works to improve public health. Physicians from every medical specialty are included. It's the world's largest publisher of scientific and medical information. There are 10 monthly medical specialty journals a year. It accredits medical programs in the United States and Canada. And that ends today's lecture.